As part of the Southeast Coast project, a major consultancy has been launched to explore how nature itself can help reduce carbon emissions, which is a groundbreaking step forward in the fight against climate change. Experts are measuring the carbon storage potential of restored forests, mangroves, and coastal ecosystems, key natural assets in the battle to protect our planet. It's all part of a broader effort to understand and enhance the role these ecosystems play in carbon sequestration, the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide. John Calix, the National Project Coordinator for the Southeast Coast Project, emphasizes the importance of the carbon sequestration consultation.
A number of representatives from the Department of Forestry, Department of Fisheries, and the Sustainable Development Department, and some members of some NGOs in the South, we are to meet with Dr. Lee, who is a consultant, who is there to undertake a carbon sequestration consultancy for St. Lucia. In the Southeast Coast, we're doing a number of restoration area activities, all right? And when you do restoration, you plant a number of trees, and these trees, are able to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So Dr. Lee is here to help us to calculate the carbon dioxide sequestered from the planting of those trees in St. Lucia.
David Lee, who leads the carbon sequestration assessment for the Southeast Coast Project, stressed the importance of monitoring and recording carbon levels.
With climate change, we're expecting more storms, we're expecting drought conditions, we're expecting flooding, all that impact St. Lucia. What we need to do is, and this is driven by the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The more carbon dioxide that is there, the more the planet warms up, the more it heats up, and you get the climate change. You get all the things that I just spoke about: the sea level rise, the hotter air temperatures, the hurricanes, etc., etc.
Dr. Lee further elaborated on how the carbon sequestration process works.
Plants take in carbon dioxide, they combine it with water, nutrients from the soil, and they make oxygen and carbohydrates. What they do with the carbohydrates? They grow. Plants grow. So they take in the carbon dioxide and they grow. So if we measure this growth, which we also call biomass, right? Biological mass, the weight of the biological entity. If we measure that, we can then calculate if the plant has grown by so much that we arrive at the number of carbon equivalents that are in the plant. If we do that, then we know how much carbon dioxide that we have sequestered.
The findings support evidence-based decision-making and contribute to national climate reporting. Additionally, the consultancy offered guidance on incorporating carbon accounting into long-term strategies for land management and conservation along the Southeast Coast. For Choice News Now, I am Darrell Lionel.